The 2024 Paris Olympics, meant to be a global celebration of sportsmanship and unity, have been marred by controversy and unexpected turmoil. At the heart of the storm is Thomas Jolly, the artistic director of the highly anticipated opening ceremony, who now finds himself in an unexpected and precarious situation. Jolly now faces death threats and relentless online abuse due to a skit that some have deemed blasphemous and offensive. The backlash has been swift and severe. French authorities are investigating the threats with utmost urgency, taking the safety of Jolly and others involved very seriously. Security measures have been heightened. Barbara Butch, a prominent LGBTQ+ advocate who played a significant role in the skit, has also been targeted by these threats, highlighting the widespread nature of the backlash. The situation underscores the dangers faced by artists who dare to push boundaries and challenge societal norms through their work. The Olympics, traditionally a symbol of international cooperation and unity, now serve as a stark reminder of the deep global divisions that persist. This incident raises profound questions about the limits of free expression, the role of art in society, and the fine line between creativity and offense. The Paris Olympics opening ceremony featured a tableau vivant that sparked global controversy. The performance, staged on a footbridge over the Seine, resembled Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Barbara Butch, a transgender woman, was at the center, drawing comparisons to Jesus Christ. Organizers denied any intentional resemblance, claiming inspiration from Greek mythology. Despite explanations, the controversy rages on, highlighting the power of imagery. The skit has sparked a global debate about artistic expression and cultural sensitivities. The incident exposes deep societal divisions on religion, gender identity, and sexual orientation. The controversial skit has drawn sharp criticism from public figures, igniting a global debate that has spread like wildfire across social media and news outlets. Prominent conservative voices, including former President Donald Trump, have vehemently denounced the performance, calling it an affront to traditional values. Hollywood conservatives like actor Rob Schneider and actress Candace Cameron Bure have also joined the chorus of condemnation, expressing their disapproval in various interviews and social media posts. Tech mogul Elon Musk labeled the skit extremely disrespectful to Christians, further inflaming the situation and sparking heated discussions online. Political leaders including House Speaker Mike Johnson have condemned the performance, emphasizing the need for respect in public displays. The controversy has sparked a broader conversation about the responsibility of artists and organizers in creating content that is both thought-provoking and respectful. It highlights the challenges of navigating diverse beliefs and values in a global context, where what is acceptable in one culture may be offensive in another. The debate continues, raising important questions about freedom of expression, the boundaries of artistic license, and the need for respect for cultural perspectives in an increasingly interconnected world. The backlash against the controversial skit has significantly impacted the financial landscape of the Games, causing ripples across various sectors. C-Spire, a prominent US-based mobile provider, has made the decision to withdraw its advertising campaigns from the Games, citing ethical concerns. The company specifically cited its disapproval of the Last Supper parody as the primary reason for its decisive action, emphasizing their commitment to certain values. This bold move by C-Spire raises important questions about potential boycotts from other sponsors, who may follow suit. The move underscores the immense influence of public opinion and the power of social media backlash in today's digital age. In an increasingly interconnected world, brands face heightened scrutiny and must navigate complex social dynamics. The incident serves as a stark warning to other corporations about the potential financial repercussions of controversial content. The long-term financial implications for the International Olympic Committee and its partners remain to be seen as the situation continues to evolve. The controversy highlights the delicate balance between artistic expression and cultural respect. In a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, finding this balance is crucial. The ongoing investigation underscores the importance of maintaining harmony in a diverse society. Paris has long been a hub for artists and performers, from the bohemian streets of Montmartre to the grand stages of its theaters. However, this freedom of expression often comes with the responsibility of respecting the diverse cultural fabric of the city. Recent events have shown how easily this balance can be disrupted, leading to tensions and conflicts. As the city navigates these challenges, it must strive to protect both its artistic heritage and the values of inclusivity and respect. The world watches as we navigate the complexities of art and respect on the global stage. Christians, stand firm and defend your faith in these challenging times. This is a moment where the intersection of creativity and belief is tested. As we move forward, let us remember the importance of mutual respect and understanding. Together we can create a world where art and faith coexist harmoniously. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, may God bless you.